Hola amigos, it's me again. I'm still alive and I just moved to Texas a couple of weeks ago. So I've been kind of busy arranging things around my new apartment and figuring out stuff with grad school. So here I am installing a shelf in my bedroom, and I really suck at these things, anything that involves doing things with your hands, I'm really bad. So I still tried to install this shelf, and let me show you how it looks. It's pretty bad. So here you go, here is the shelf, and you can tell that I kind of messed up over here with these nails. Yeah, it doesn't look the best, but hey, I did it for the first time in my life, and that's all that matters, that it's working, The fact that it looks weird, it doesn't bother me as much. So the phrase that comes to mind is Первый, блин, komom. Okay? Literally, in Russian, that means the first crepe will be squishy. And I know that doesn't make much sense when you just hear it like that. Basically, what it means is whenever you do something for the first time, it will probably suck. Or you're probably going to make some mistakes, you're going to do something wrong, and it's going to turn out, not so well. You're going to do it a second time or third time, and it's going to get much better. So, Первый, блин, komom. So, my first shelf sucked, but let me show you the second shelf that I just put together. Look at that! Looks much nicer. Of course, it's not perfection, but I think it's much better than the first shelf. Would you agree? If you don't, that's totally cool. If you think it still sucks, that's cool with me. I promise, I put it myself. I didn't have any help from anybody. You see how it's much, much nicer than the first shelf? So whenever that happened, I was like, oh, well, Первый, блин, komom, right? Because whenever you do something for the first time, chances are it's gonna suck. And maybe not turn out as nice as, somebody who has been doing that thing for years. So there's your Russian phrase for the day. Первый, блин, komom. Alright, I'll see you later. Love you all.